Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create an invitation card using Canva for free. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile. Now just directly put in the URL box canva.com, or you can give it a search on Google. Open canva.com. It's the official site of Canva. Then after logging on the website, you have to log in with account. If you have not created account, just sign in with google.com. It will take your Gmail account to logging in. After logging in, just go to here on your top left and select create a design. Now after on this home page, you have to shuffle with this arrow. Just click on this arrow again. As you can see, Canva offers various aspects. Now just try to find invitation. Okay, here it is, invitation portrait. Click on it. You can directly give it a search here to directly go to invitation portrait. Click on invitation portrait. Now as you can see here, Canva design, it offers 1,000 of templates to give it a suggestion for creating an invitation. For example, I want to create a invitation for my retirement party, so I will type retirement. As you can see here, retirement party invitations. Now as you can see here, it suggests me 100 of concept ideas, so I will click on this retirement dinner. Now to change your text, just double click on it, and you can make to anything and just as you can see here, I have changed my text. Now to save your invitation card, just move to share option and click on download, and your invitation will be get downloaded. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a free invitation card using canva.com. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.